All right, hello, welcome again. This is worksheet 4.3. Directions here say rewrite in slope-intercept form. Now, remember on this test, you will have a reference sheet, which is just like a cheat sheet. On that reference sheet will be many things, and one of them will be the slope-intercept form. It'll say slope-intercept form, and it'll give this to you. Y equals mx plus b. Remember where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. You need to know that. Y equals mx plus b. So I want to take this equation that's given to me, 2x plus y is 8, and put it in that form, in that arrangement. In other words, solve for y. So what you need to do is you need to take this 2x and put it over here between the equal sign and the 8. Now doing that, remember, you need to make the 2x a negative 2x. So you would have the y, then the equal sign, then a minus 2x, and then a plus 8. And that would be your answer. So looking at that, you need to recognize that your slope is the negative 2 and your y-intercept is the 8. Let's try the second one. Solve this one for y. Well, I need to take this 3x and move it after the equal sign before the negative 4. But I don't just bring down a y. I must bring down the negative sign with it. In my equal sign, my 3x becomes a negative 3x, and I bring down my minus 4. Now, an extra step, I have to get rid of that negative in front of the y. So I need to do this trick, divide by negative 1. So I divide everything by negative 1, which gives me a positive y equals 2 negatives make a positive, so it becomes a positive 3x and a plus 4. And there's your answer. Y equals 3x plus 4. That's written in slope-intercept form, where my slope is 3 and my y-intercept is 4. Let's try the next one. Actually, hit the pause button here and see if you can do this one on your own. With this one, I want to take this 4x and move it. So I bring down my 6y equals a negative 4x plus 12. But I'm not quite done because I need to go through and divide everything by 6, which allows me to mark out these 6's. So I get y equals. Now look at that fraction. Negative 4 over 6, that has to be reduced. It reduces to negative 2/3. You always, always, always reduce your fractions. Get an x plus, keep going, 12 over 6 would just be a 2. And this is my answer. That's in slope-intercept form, where my slope is negative 2/3, and my y-intercept is the 2 at the end. One more. Hit the pause button, and you guys try this one on your own. With this one, 3x is moved right in there, so I have 5y equals a negative 3x minus 9. Then I must divide everything by 5. My 5's here can be marked out, which is perfect. Y equals 3/5 can't be reduced, but don't forget about your negative there. Negative 3/5 x. And I'm just going to leave that as a minus 9/5. Improper fractions are perfectly fine. Actually, on this test, improper fractions are the preferred way of doing it. 9 over 5 is improper. So I'm going to circle this. There's my answer, written in slope-intercept form, where my slope is the negative 3/5 and my y-intercept is a negative 9/5. Hey, thanks for watching.